Have you ever feel tired of jumping from one online program to the other and thinking I need to make consistent money online? So if that is what you're thinking about, I want to show you in this short video 5 proven ways you can make consistent money online. And I'm going to show you. And I encourage you at the tail end of this video, I will share something so valuable to you. So let's go on now, and I'm going to show you 5 ways proven you can consistently make money online. Now let's go and get it done. So number 1 is blogging. A lot of us don't understand blogging. Blogging is a passive income source. Once you know what to do, the first thing is to choose a niche and let it be something you are an expert in. Something everyone will have something we can do. There are millions of global citizens that have been interested in what you're doing. And what we are going to do here is that any of these things you can do to make consistent money, we can train you on each of them. Even if you don't know what to do, blogging is key. Start blogging and you earn income for life. Once you start blowing, you have started blowing. And that's what blogging is all about. So don't miss blogging. If you have not started blogging, please start doing that right now. I tell you, blogging is number 1. Then number 2 is YouTube content creation. You don't joke with this one. Whatever platform you see out there today that is paying, YouTube pays highest. And you know what it is? Whether you are recording videos about politics or anything, once people start watching that video, you qualify for monetization, you earn income for life. It's consistent. I have a YouTube monetized since 2018. It's consistent till death. It earns me money, and we can train you on this. So any way you say I'm pushing money online and you don't have a YouTube channel, you are not yet serious. Get a YouTube channel and start creating videos. Be consistent about it. We can train you on this. Then number 3 we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? I know there are a lot of affiliate marketing there that will tell you pay money. No, don't go for that. There are so many affiliate marketing that are free. Just sign up with them anywhere in the world you are operating from. Sign up with this affiliate marketing, whatever. You have social media, you have YouTube, you have blog, and that's where blogging pays you more. Share this link, the banners on this area. Share on your wall. Write a little text or message about what you're talking about and promote. As you are consistent, once someone clicks through your link and purchases from the site or wherever, you earn a commission. You never have a product, you never have a shop, but you make money from another person's product and shop. That's affiliate marketing for you. Be consistent and you make money from it. Seriously. Then we're going to look at number 4, selling of digital assets, content products. And the 2 digital products I'm going to talk about is ebook and online courses. And now let me tell you something. Do you know that because with the use of AI, the emergence of AI right now, you can launch an online course easily. You can create ebooks easily. In fact, that's one of the things I'm going to tell you at the tail end of this video. We have a class going on right now. You can join at any time. You can sell many ebooks on different niches, make crazy money consistently for life. Yes. So these are digital products, easily created, easily sold. You are not paying for rent and all those things. You make consistent money. Don't believe about this. We can train you on this. Then number 5, talk about crypto investment and holding. Now in crypto, that's what we call holding. That is, you are not just trading. Don't go into trading as a beginner. You buy. When you see a coin that comes out, expert advice will guide you on that. You buy. Once the coin goes higher, sell. Don't depend on one coin. and that coin has just come selling at a little price. Buy it, you have potential. Once it goes, what you sell it, you make money from it. It's consistent. There are a lot of people that are not even doing anything on this thing. We're talking of AI, content creation. That's where their life income source depends. If you know how to do it, as we're going to teach you, you make consistent money from this. I tell you, these 5 are proven anytime, anywhere in the world. And if you don't know how to get started, well, you're a shop plug. We're going to train you. So the question I'm going to ask you now, use the comment button and tell me, in all of these 5, you may not start all of them at the same time. Tell me either the one you're already doing or the one you are going to tell me, hey, sir, I'm interested in this one. And if you are interested and you don't know how to go about it, let your comment be, please teach me. I'm going to direct you and we'll start the journey. You're going to like this. You will enjoy it. At the tail end of the matter, you're going to be happy for me. So all you need to do, subscribe to this page, like the video, and don't forget to share because others will benefit. Now, one more thing before we go. I told you I have a good news for you. We are having another batch of ebook create and catch out. This is exactly how to create ebook, not just one, not just 2. Create multiple ebooks at a time. Design the best of covers. Very easy. In few hours, in few days, you have done everything. Create your ebook, sell it, and you see real cash. I tell you, it's real. We have this class coming up. Our classes is a separate class. We have a separate class. What does that mean? Everything is there already for you. The materials are there for you. The video guide are there for you. I am there for you regularly. But you learn at your own pace. Nobody's pushing you. Nobody's telling you must come online by 8:30 p.m. Must come online by 9:30 a.m. No. Whenever you come online, you learn, ask your question, answers are given to your question. You practice. The only way we monitor is by practice. You put it to practice and you perfect it. So I encourage you to be part of